Good morning guys. Today we are back again for another games. This is called Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. Let's go. Okay? Press start. That's right. Okay. New game. Easy. Okay. One empty. Do not turn off. Okay. Okay. So what are we going to pick? Think Leonardo da Vinci. Aqua. Rap, Leo, I hear you went to check out our old hideout in sewer. How was it? How was it? It was trash. Mikey, one big pile of rubble, everything chew to beat. I remember the day those weird robots came charging into our place, eating everything in their path. They tore into our home like ants on a pizza, destroy everything in sight. They sure did throw our peaceful lives into chaos. Wow. For 15 years, we called that place home. And so we left our happy hideaway and made this our new home, sweet home. When I find out who built those robotic wrecking balls, whoa, Rafael, don't go wrecking this home too. There were some good points of moving too. This brand new monitoring wall for one is pretty hot. Anything interesting on? In a press conference held today at Stocktronics, New York's leading new technology company. The founder and the CEO, Dr. Baxter Stockman, unveiled his latest innovation. Wow. I would like to announce everyone that I have built a better mousetrap. The Stocktronics Mouser. Stocktronic Mouser? Sheesh. I'll leave the explanation to you, April. All of this Mouser rodent detection and capture function are carefully controlling through a wireless connection to the mother computer. This will bring a decisive resolution to the city rodent problem. Those robots, they are the same ones that attack our home. And they are famous enough to appear on TV. What an honor having our home destroyed by celebrities. Unbelievable. Dr. Baxter Stockman is actually trying to promote those killer robots as useful. Leonardo, the Stocktronics Mouser, huh? Why keep so many Mouser robots in your laboratory warehouse? This could all be meant for catching mice? What are you really plotting, Stockman? I cannot tell you, Miss O'Neill. Suffice it to say that this Mouser army will bring me both money and power. Ah, Doctor, I'm afraid you have seen too much. Miss O'Neill, it's a shame we could work together. Oh no, but you're too great a liability. Better you serve me as Mouser food. You won't catch me that easily. Run if you must, Miss O'Neill. You can escape my mouse robots. Zzz. Hey guys, did you guys just hear something? Not a thing, Leo. You're getting paranoid. It's probably just Michelangelo snarfing there's another pizza. Did I hear my name? Wait a minute. I hear a crunching ganang sound. You're right. I know that sound. I heard it when our old home was attacked. Zzz. It's the Mouser. Okay, it's the Mouser. Okay, Aquan start. Let's go. So kill. Oh no, first bite. Let's go. Tap. Okay. 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 Slash. Okay, good. Let's go. 400, 300, 700 points. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay. Destroy this. Okay. Up, ay, down. Okay. Let's go. Okay, to the right. Okay, good. Hack and slash. Okay, right, left. To the tunnel. Okay. Oh no, the Mouser. Let's go. To the right. Ay, wait. I need to. Oh no. How we. Wait. Is there any. Ah. Yes, I know. Okay. Good. Easy. 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 Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay. Okay. Oh, you're now you're spinning Okay. Jump. Good. Let's go. Okay, good. Okay. A new villain, Oh no, 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 no. Okay, good. Okay. Triple kill. Okay, good. Okay. Now we go to the tunnel. Okay, oh, there's a healing. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna save April. So, okay. Okay, good. Okay. Good. Oh no. The bomber. Okay, good. Okay. Wait. Okay. That's for you, my man. Let's go. So, okay, next villain. So you're, okay, you're done. Oh, okay, good. 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 Okay. I missed that. Okay, good. Okay, we save the day. Okay, 11. Aquan, clear. Okay, good. I had the worst dream. What a weird dream. Turtles fighting against robot. I must have fallen asleep with the TV on. Hey, look who's awake. Okay. He's terrified. I can't believe I'm talking to a turtle. Think it through, April. You're talking with giant turtle? The only logical conclusion is that you're dreaming, so there's no need to worry. Hello, April. Is it? Are you okay? Yes, I've never been better. No complaint from me. I see you have regained conscience. Splinter? Hey, he's terrified again. What? But you really have outweighed with the latest Master Splinter. Okay. Someone let me know when she's awake. Oh, sleeping thing. Michelangelo, she's awake. Leonardo made her some tea. And it looked like she's reading to accept the fact that we're real. Really? That's great, awesome. Keep a lid on it. You'll scare her unconscious again. So, are you okay now? Yes, thank you. I decide to accept that this is either the longest dream I've ever had or the strangest thing that ever happened in my life. Happening in my life? Hey, I think I've seen this girl before. Now I remember. She's the girl from the new story on the Mouser robot. You know about Stockman and the Mouser? They completely destroyed the old home where we used. So, so the Ninja Turtle was destroyed their home. Okay. So that's why you were fighting those Mouser. Do you know anything about those Mouser robots? Yes, as you know, they're killer robots created by Stockman. He's a genius, but he's also a madman. Wow, genius madman. I work under him, but when I uncovered a secret, he sent his Mouser to kill me. Fortunately, you all came to my rescue. Um, okay. There's no time for talk. Let's find those Mouser then and give it a thorough working over. It won't be an easy task. Stocktronic is protected by a powerful state-of-the-art security system. Then what say we sneak into from the sewer? The sewer slider I made can take us through the sewer and get us to Stocktronic or anywhere else in a wink. If we take the sewers, we can approach the laboratory without drawing any attention to ourselves. I like it. We sneak in right under their noses. Let's get moving, guys. We've got to put an end to Stockman plot before he leaves any other turtles homeless. Hey, let's go. Okay, so goods. Another one. Another goods. Okay. Oh, almost. Okay, go. Double kill. Wait. Okay. Oh no. Ah! Okay, goods. Okay. Goods. 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 Oh no. Our health. Goods. 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 Okay. Goods. Goods. Okay. Goods. Okay. Next. And your next. 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 Okay, I'm dead. I need health potion. Okay. Okay, I'm dead. There any potion? Oh no, I'm dead. I'm dead. Ah, I'm dead. Continue. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, good. Good. Okay. From the start. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay, so we're in the half now. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay. Ah, so hard. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, good. Our health are better now. Oh no. Okay. Okay, and die. Die. Okay, ha. So we're stuck now. Oh, it's close. Okay, so we're gonna just pointed a gun there. Okay. Okay, good. So our mission is okay. Okay, good. Okay, good. Good. Okay. Yes, point to the gun in there and there. Okay. It's half now. His life is half. Okay. But my life is half span. Okay. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm gonna dead. Okay. I'm seriously dead. Okay, yes. Do not turn off the power. Ahaha. Just as I planned. No security system is a match for my mouser powerful John. Neither box nor jewelry shop. Splendid, the world is truly mine. And treasure hidden throughout this world are now mine for the taking. Dr. Stockman, what do you want? I'm busy. Han, I'm here so that I can put to Master Shredder. Who's Shredder? Whether or not you are fulfilling your duties and moving forward as planned. So you're just under to him. I've had enough of your idiot inquiries. My Mouser have secured the funds from the bank just as you desire. Why are you unable to grasp such a simple fact? Be wary of your pride, Dr. Stockman. You imbecile. We've arrived at the laboratory. We're now directly under Structronic, but we can't go any further ahead. The security too tight. security alarm in the sewer to this Stockman is one paranoid guy. I got it, keep quiet. When I first came here, I saw computer terminal in one of the rooms. If I can make it in there, I'll manipulate the security system so that can get into that madman Stockman main research room. We've got madman of our own right here, Donatello. What was that? Keep it down, you two. Hey Leo, judging from the map, it looks like you can reach that room through the ventilation shaft. Really? Of course, this high-performance GPS I designed is flawless. Then leave it to me. I'll help sneak you in between guard patrol. That decide it, April. Give us a signal once you override the security. We are breaking into the laboratory. You got it, brother. Okay, Act 3 rest. Start now. Okay, goods. Okay, two of you and now your guide. Let's go top. Okay, goods. So you're going down and I'm going up. I am going down. Okay, up. Good. 17,000. Oh no, I'm dead. Okay, down. Oh no. Okay, jump. And kill that. Okay, good. Top. Okay, good. Good. Oh no. Okay. Next. Okay, another villain. Okay, so your ninja suit. Okay, goods. Let's go. Okay. Okay. First kill. Double kill. Triple kill. Let's go. Oh no. Jump. Jump. Okay, good. Let's go. Okay. Up. Go down. So hold the. Okay. Oh no, oh, where I bite the. Okay. Go forward. Oh no, fast. You're fasting. You're running now. Okay, good. Let's go. Okay. Go left. Okay, you're jumping now. Oh. Ah. You're facing me. Okay, good. Okay, go top the tunnel. Up. Okay, good. Okay, go. Okay, so okay. Oh no, the gun niya. I don't want the laser he's using. So going down there, kill that. Okay, top. Oh no, help. Okay, good. Okay, finish. Last one. Okay, Forward. Oh no. Samurai. I use it. Oh. It hurts. What? Okay. Okay. Oh, triple kill. Oh no. No. Woo. Okay, jump. You're too weak. Okay, good. Okay, next. Oh. One. After clear. Do not turn off the power. So this is the center of the laboratory. Hey, is that Dr. Stockman sitting over there? Intruders, huh? Have you come to steal my secret? Secret? Oh, you won't be taking anything out of here, not even your life. Man, that was a bad line. Who are you? Your reign of terror is over, Stockman. Did you rehearse that? You like it? Your delivery could use a little more bite. I can't believe the famous engineer Dr. Stockman could turn out to be a bad guy. Why did you turn your technology to such an evil end, Doctor? Who are you? You really... Never mind. I'll find out later when I dissect you. My ingenious mind has created this magnificent technology. No one can escape from it. You're still plotting something quite well you're ahead. It's already too late. You will soon be torn to shreds. Guess again, turtles don't go down without a fight. Okay, this is the final boss. Save. We'll start now. Okay. Okay. Jump. Oh. Okay. Swing. 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 Good. Okay. So we're gonna finish this. Okay. I'm dead. Okay. It's jumping now. Wait. Finish. At toast to our new team. Yay! A toast to never laying eyes on those Mouser again. As much as I love Machine, those Mousers suck. You all really are great people. I mean, you're four great, big, green talking turtle, and one giant talking rat. Hey, whatever you do, please try not to pick up their habit. Okay, where is this? As any fool can see, this was minor setback. If you continue to provide funding, I can resume my research immediately. Dr. Stockman, I must accept compensation from you for your failure. Orokusaki, take him away, Hunu. Yes, sir. Stop this. Where are you taking me? You regret ever doing this stuff. Okay. So these are the one who've been interfering and with me. That's for all today.